Open up your mouth and bless the name of Jesus. I said, open up your mouth and bless the name of Jesus. Call him like you need him. Call him like you need him. Call him like you want somebody in your family to be saved. Call him like you want somebody to be delivered. Call him. I said, call him. Call him. Call him. Yeah. Call him. Call him. Come on, call him like the old saints. Jesus. 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 Clap your hands and call him. Clap your hands and call him. Jesus. 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 Chain breaker. Jesus. Soul saver. Jesus. Jesus. Nobody bigger. Jesus. The one who kept my mind. Jesus. The one who delivered me from homosexuality. Jesus. 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 You can. You will. You're able. You can. You will. You're able. You can. You will. You're able. If you know he's able, open up your mouth and give him glory.